Hey team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to round 2, where we're going to be doing more math, a lot of math from all the different teacher certification exams. Use this stuff to make it a game, have fun, and learn a whole lot of math you're going to need to pass your tests. Let's take a look at our first set of problems. Let's have fun. Let's go. Hi math team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. We're going to look at a couple of key ideas involving geometry that are essential for these set of problems. Now they're all going to be involving angles. I want you to take note on each rule. Our next rule that you need to know to solve these problems is complementary angles. This involves when we have another straight line. But now we're going to form an angle out of a 90 degree. We have a 90-degree angle here, and we're going to form two angles. Now, each one of these, A and B, they add up to 90. We're going to put a C here, because these ones right here that add up to 90 degrees, we call complementary angles. Let's write that down. When A plus B add up to 90 degrees, we're going to remember with that C that they are complementary angles. Now this is going to help us remember the difference between supplementary and complementary. Complementary angles, they add up to 90 degrees. Like if you were to give a 90 on a test, you'd give someone a compliment, they did so well, right? So you're going to remember C, complementary, two angles add up to 90 degrees. And you're going to remember S, supplementary, two angles that form a straight line add up to 180. Let's go to rule number 3. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Believe it or not, there's not a whole lot of teachers out there that are taking these exams. You're one of the few. So if you like it, you learned something, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, maybe check out a workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find those live workshops that we hold very helpful. So check it out. All right, team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you in class. Take care, team. Bye-bye.